Hi guys, it's AfriZiny here. So in my last video, I said I was going to show you guys the hairstyle I created from that experiment. Yeah. So if you missed my last video, please go back and watch it so you don't get confused as to where today's video is coming from. So today's hairstyle is a chunky twist out, and I didn't exactly detail the twisting process because already I have a video on how to do a two-strand twist that I'm going to link in the description box so you can go back and watch it later. Okay, so the unique thing about a chunky twist out and why it's different from the regular twist out is the fact that it's chunky, yeah, like the name implies, and then it has this Rastafarian feel to it, you know, this ghetto body kind of thing, yeah. So, and a very easy way to create a chunky twist out would be to take down your twists first, and then after you've done that, you hold on to an individual twist strand, preferably using your thumb and index finger from, say, your left hand. Yeah, so your thumb and index finger are going to be like a security to hold on to the tips of the strand you're working with. Then use use a finger from your right hand to gently pull from the roots till you get to the ends. So since your thumb and index finger of your left hand is already securing the tip, so there's no way you're going to accidentally separate it completely. So, and that's what gives you the chunky appearance. So after you have completed that, you just grab an afro pick and gently you know, pick your roots just so you can cover up any pattern lines that are visible and make the hair look a lot more put together and classy. Yeah, so that is all for how to create a chunky twist out. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and until another time, adios.